Welcome to the course preview of Certificate Program in Medical Writing. Medical or scientific writing of documents is a specialized skill that demands training to learn research documents drafting and designing process. If you are looking to start your career in medical writing or you are already in this industry without any formal training, the course Certificate Program in Medical Writing will certify and guide you to develop the required skills. The 10 course modules of the Medical Writing Training Program will train you on step-by-step processes and strategies to design clinical trial documents like standard operating procedures, case report forms, informed consent document, research protocol, clinical study report, etc. in compliance with the regulatory guidelines. These are some important features of this course which you would like to know before enrolling. Number 1. The mode of learning is online or distance. If you choose the online mode of learning, you will get login access to the course content within 48 hours of enrollment. You simply need a device with an internet connection to take and finish the course. If you opt for the distance mode of learning, you will get a hard copy of the study modules at your postal address. The distance mode of learning is only eligible for Indian postal addresses. The course content and fee of both the modes of learning are the same. You can choose any mode of learning at your convenience. Number 2, the course is completely self-paced, which means you can take the modules at your pace and time. Number 3, you will get 6 months and need approximately 50 hours of effort to finish the course along with the exam. Number 4, there would be an online exam at the end. Number 5, the certification is valid globally. Number 6, you will get lifetime access to the course content. Number 7, you will get a certificate of completion along with a performance card upon successful completion. There is no extra cost for exams and certification. The course covers the following high-quality training modules: Module Number 1, Introduction to Clinical Research; Module Number 2, Introduction to Medical Writing; Module Number 3, Essential Clinical Trial Documents; Module Number 4, Developing Standard Operating Procedures; Module Number 5, Developing Clinical Trial Protocol; Module Number 6, Developing Informed Consent Document; Module Number 7, Developing Case Report Forms; Module Number 8, Developing Data Management Plan; Module Number 9, Developing of Clinical Study Report; Module Number 10, Clinical Research Glossary. There would be an online exam at the end of the course. This course will help you to learn about step-by-step process and strategies to design essential clinical trial documents. Knowledge and skills required to start a career as a medical writer. Applicable guidelines and policies to develop essential clinical trial document strategies to improve the quality of documents, maintenance and management of clinical research documents. Once you enroll in this training program, we will first send you a confirmation email to your registered email address. This will be followed by sending you course access details in the next 48 hours if you choose the online mode of learning. If you choose the distance learning mode, we may take up to 7 working days to send you the study material at your postal address. Then you go through all the course modules at your pace and time. You can contact us anytime for any query on any course topic. After you finish all the course modules, we grant you access to the online exam. The exam is open book and self-paced, that is, the exam isn't timed. Then you attempt all the exam questions based on course content followed by its submission to us. At last, our faculty will review it and issue you a certification of completion along with a performance card within 14 working days. You will get both soft and hard copies of the certificate of completion. The hard copies will only be issued at Indian postal addresses. This course can be taken by health science professional, working, fresher, or who is still a student from pharmacy, life science/biotech, medicine, alternative medicine, dental, nursing, physiotherapy, PhD background who are looking to gain knowledge and start their career in the medical writing. Fresher and experienced research personnel. After completing this course, you can apply for the role of the medical writer with pharmaceuticals, biopharmaceuticals, medical devices, cosmetics and consumer health, contract research organizations, research institutions. After completing this course, our team will assist you to advance your career in the following ways. Step number 1. After successful completion, you will get soft and hard copies of the globally valid certificate of completion and a performance card. Step number 2. Our experts will design your resume per industry standards for free. Step number 3. We will provide you access to the resources to prepare for different rounds of the job interview. Step number 4. You will get 100% placement support from us. Our team will provide you regular updates on the relevant job positions based on your preferred location. To date, learners from 40+ countries are already a part of this training program. The course content, methodology, and support are widely appreciated by all the learners, and the course has received an average rating of 4.5. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact us for any query.